Hello, and welcome to the preview video for LAVC's online library workshop for English 101. Let's start by reviewing the content. This workshop covers 3 learning objectives designed to support research assignments in English 101. After completing this workshop, students will be able to identify and develop keywords, synonyms, and related terms for effective search queries, effectively utilize library databases to find relevant sources of information, and evaluate sources of information critically in order to determine appropriateness for specific need. This workshop will be available in the Canvas shell for every section of English 101, but it is not automatically visible to your students. To include this content in your course, you will have to publish it in Canvas. And don't worry, your faculty colleagues in the library will be here to facilitate that process. Once published, students would find the workshop material under Modules in Canvas. The workshop consists of 2 modules. Number 1, evaluating sources, and number 2, searching for information effectively. Each module has discrete lessons, or units, which are revealed once a student completes the previous unit. Each module has a culminating quiz, which automatically links to your Canvas gradebook. Each quiz is worth 10 points, but it is at the discretion of the instructor how these points are weighted. Let's take a peek at the 4 different kinds of units that we have. We have videos, which are all accessible, and students can watch these at their own pace. We have tutorials, which consist of multiple parts that a student moves through in sequence. We have pages, which are text-based, but may also include pictures and videos. And we have those 2 quizzes, one at the end of each module. We are confident that including this workshop in your English 101 curriculum will improve outcomes for your students, especially on their research assignments, and we look forward to working with you to help all of our students succeed. Thanks for watching.